Hey, hi. We're going to do a review of Cryonex Mining App. I believe this is a new app. I can see it has only like 10K downloads. And I checked this app like I think a few weeks ago, and still it's on 10K downloads. Okay. I was trying to find people who have really earned from this app from my Sankos on Reddit, and seems actually it's still new really to have a conclusive say of whether it's legit or scam. And it has a few reviews like 127. Okay. And I've taken time to read all of them. And most of them are kind of people are kind of say like the withdrawal is off. And so today, this is like July, this is like 3 months ago, July, August, September. I think this is like 2 months ago. I installed, but the withdraw, but when I withdraw the coin, the app show withdraw is off. In this time, what's the reason? They're not paying a single coin. This one is just saying like it's a fake app. Another fake one you can easily earn, but you can't withdraw like scam games. When will the withdraw be open until the star? Then I will increase. Withdraw is off. Something like that. So personally for me, I wanted to try it out also, but actually I stopped in the way after reading actually other reviews, and people are kind of saying like withdraw is off. It actually said new app. I remember when a new app is new, it really has to work its best so that people are happy. So let me know if you're kind of a person out there who has managed to use Cryonex and you have managed to withdraw, because I couldn't really find anyone who's withdrawing from Cryonex. Saying that, I can't really say these guys are scam or legit. I think it's too early to judge, but I will try to I'm going to start like tomorrow actually using Cryonex. By the way, there's a kind of a friend of mine who actually tries all these apps. Okay, he's a really fast guy, and so if we start it tomorrow and we get paid and we try to withdraw some small money, even if it will be small, however small it is, I will come and make another video for Cryonex. But as for now, I really try to find anyone who has a real proof that he really made the withdrawal from Cryonex. I really haven't found him. Okay. So if you are kind of out there and you made a withdrawal, you can leave me a comment section below to let me know how it went. And also me, I'll be informing you in something like 1 month from now, maybe 2 months. It will depend on how it goes. Okay. So, but that's what I can say. But looking at the reviews, I think it's 50-50. You have to be careful. Okay. You can do also your own research. I've shown you some of the reviews, and you can take your own decision. Okay, I really don't want to decide a no or yes to you, but you can really judge from what I've shared with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the video description of this in the description of this video. There is a link to other games that you can play and earn online, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.